Hello, today we are making chocolate mug cake that you microwave in the microwave, obviously. Today for my tools and equipment, I have 4 tablespoons of flour in this cup, 2 mugs, a splash of vanilla, but if you want to be exact, a half a teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, and a half tablespoon of butter. This recipe is really simple. I'm honestly just going to add in all of my ingredients in there. You'll also need a spatula. Got a few drops in there, a spatula, and your microwave on it. Yeah, you probably know that. And I'm going to mix these up, and I'll be back when it's done. Alrighty, so you're also going to need an ice cream scoop and some aluminum foil. I mixed this up, and it looks really nice and, nice. So what I'm going to do is take it. You can also add some chocolate chips if you want. This will make it a lot richer, but you don't have to. It's optional. Alright. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them in evenly. Be careful about the sides. You don't want to get those too messy because they might burn in the microwave. So I'll be back once I microwave these for about 1 minute, and you're gonna cover them a little bit loosely with aluminum foil or plastic wrap. If they are not done with that 1 minute, put them in for another 30 seconds. But you really don't want to overdo these, because remember they're in the microwave, so you never know what the microwave is gonna do. Be back when I've got them. You also, mine is microwaving right now. You want to set them in there for 1 minute each. You don't want to overdo it. So I'll be back when these are done. Remember, 1 at a time. So my cake is in here, and let's get a little bit of it. Let's take some. So here's what it looks like. Tastes really good. I'd try these if I were you. They're really good. Okay? Thanks. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.